Look at this, 3 days after this snowstorm. I still can't get a train down to here. I cleared this all out with the rotary, you know, the snow blower. That's where I lost the plow, right down there. It's derailed. The snow was just coming down too fast. There's too much of it. So well, we'll rescue this eventually. Appears to have melted enough that it's not overwhelming the pilot plow here. But it's a lot of work. Both engines are digging right in. And I just stalled. Well, reset and try again. That's a lot of snow. Both of them are stalled, so back up a little bit. And reset. Shot here. If I can keep them both running, that'd be good. Install them both. Huh. Oh, that's a lot of snow right there. Gonna have to stop for a little bit, come back in a couple hours and try it again. back in business. No denying the number 10 is a very heavy engine.
Plow back on.
Thank you. Here. It's on the track. Put it up here. Where's the switch thrown?
Sorry I didn't throw the switch.
I was just wondering which way it was thrown. That's all. Okay. Now, let's see. This is 70's turn to try to push the plow with damaged traction motor. Or at least I'll pull the plow back. Can you throw that switch, please?
Yeah.
Thank you. Alrighty. Well, made it through. I guess we'll call that a success. The banks aren't pushed back. I'm not going to push them back today. I'm just going to pull everything back to the engine house. 3 days to clean up this snowstorm. That's something else. Hope you enjoyed it. Blizzard of 2024. I guess that's what we'll call this. Alrighty, well, I think it's time to clean these buggies up and take them inside. Have yourself a great day. You can join us over on Patreon, patreon.com/Millbrook Railroad. Or you can go to, you can become a channel member. That'd be good if you want to do that. Or you can join us over on Discord, the Discord server. Options for subscribers, paid subscribers, and non-paid subscribers. So there's some free options there. But anyway, off we go. Back to the engine house. Back dragging the plow here. It gets cold rather quickly. I didn't put a sweater on, so I'm kind of in a hurry because it's cold. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Doesn't like that switch right now, does she? Not again. I guess that's gonna be the next repair. Chains. I keep destroying this engine every time it snows. I better grab that chain before it catches a switch point though. It's stuck somewhere. Okay. Alright, so the front axle has lost its chain. Gonna have to fix that before we get another load of pellets. There we go. I'm not gonna fix it tonight. Thanks for watching.